Hi friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to create fan poster image using ChatGPT. So before start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, first of all, open your ChatGPT, add here your image, then type here this prompt. This prompt available on my video description. You can copy and paste. If you want change jersey number, change here and change also name. Then click here. It will take some time. Wait for completion. You can see here fan poster has been created. If you want download this image, click here, then download from here. Click again download. You can see here image has been downloaded. That's it guys. So in this you create fan poster image using ChatGPT. Thanks for watching friends. Hope like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.